Welcome to Genius Plus Twins. I am Mrs. Spidel, and today we are diving into writing to change the world, generating and collecting ideas using Strategy 3.7. Have you ever looked around and thought, "That's not fair," or "I wish we did this differently"? That feeling of frustration or passion is the persuasive spark, and it is the absolute perfect starting point for persuasive writing. So, how do you find your topic? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pay attention. Start noticing the things that bug you during your regular day. What problems do you see around you? Dream big. Imagine how things could be better. What is the solution? And how can we fix the problem? Write it down. Collect your ideas in your notebook. Don't worry about writing an essay yet. Just make a list. Where should you look for these ideas? Check out these 3 areas. At home, think about chores, bedtimes, screen time rules, or sibling responsibilities. At school, consider recess equipment, cafeteria food, homework loads, or uniform policies. In the world, look at bigger issues like plastic waste, animal rights, town skate parks, or community gardens. To help you get started, let's make a change chart. On one side, list the problem, what bugs you, and on the other, list the change you want. For example, if school lunches are boring, your change could be adding a custom taco bar on Tuesdays. If there's nowhere safe to ride skateboards, the town could build a public skate park. If too much plastic is ending up in the ocean, you could push to ban single-use plastic bags in your state. And if middle school students don't get enough sleep, you could advocate for pushing school start times back by 1 hour. As Greta Thunberg says, you are never too small to make a difference. Your voice has power. Now it's your turn for the 5-minute challenge. Open your writer's notebook. Title the page, Things I Want to Change. Write down at least 5 things you want to see changed in your world. Don't worry about the essay yet. Just collect those ideas. Go find your spark.